Do you ever feel you're behind? I think we all do in life. We all feel like we're behind. But the truth is, we're all on different paths, doing things in different orders, and not all of our souls want to have 2.4 children and a white picket fence. So sometimes we're living out our destiny, and it might not like come in the same shape and form as other people. And we can forget to tune in to our intuition, to our body, to our soul, to our heart, which is normally guiding us on what to do next. So we can be ignoring the signals, ignoring the nudges, ignoring the urge to take a certain choice, to do a certain thing, to act in a certain way. And that often kind of means that we feel behind because we're not listening to those nudges. If you compare yourself to others, you're always going to feel behind. But if you're feeling behind for other reasons, it's normally because it's something within that's kind of just not quite feeling satisfied or in the right space. So, what do we do about it? We take time out to carve out space for our intuition. And that can look different for everybody. It can be journaling once a week. It can be going for a long walk and just listening to your own thoughts and seeing what comes up. It can be doing meditation, like whatever it is, making some space to listen is the important thing. Because in the busy worlds where we're just scrolling on our phones and we're, numbing our senses, we can't pay attention to those subtle senses that are telling us what to do next. So we need to disconnect from the electronic world. Ironic, you're watching this probably on social media. But we need some time to disconnect. We need some time to reconnect with ourselves and listen to our intuition, to pay attention, so that we can listen to those nudges and act on them in order to create the life that we desire. If you want to know more about this, find out below about how you can work with me more. I've got some free group healing sessions if you want to check those out. If you want to check out my Dream Life membership, where we're all about this and creating a life not like from our like of our dreams, but actually asking ourselves for the first time ever, what do I want? Asking the soul, the intuition, what's next? So we're doing that as a group as well, and it brings a whole beautiful dynamic to it. So if that interests you, check it out. I'm Eloise Ansell. I've been an intuitive healer for over 18 years, and I'd love to help and support you on your journey to listening to your intuition and taking that next step.